Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your fan page name on Facebook. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe. So this is going to be a short tutorial and I'm just going to walk you through changing the name if you need to do so. Now, the first thing you would do is log in to your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you will go to your fan page. And this is my fan page here. And if I wanted to change my name, whatever comes up here, all I would need to do is I will head over to the About section. So just click there. And if you look at the first part right here, it says category, name, and username. This is where you would change. You could actually also change your username as well if you need to, which is like your handle. That's how people will find your page. For this video, we are changing the fan page name, which is right here. So all you would do is you would click on edit. And from here, you're going to get this little pop-up. And it's going to give you do's and don'ts of when you're changing your name. And it also tells you your page name should accurately reflect what the page is about. So if you are the brand, then you will put your name. Like I am the brand, so that's why it says Nancy Badillo. However, if you have a business, whether it's an Etsy business, whether it's a Shopify, a website, a blog, you will put that name as your business because it's representing the business. So keep that in mind. The page name should represent the brand, or if you're behind the scenes and you have like a business, you will put your business name. Make sure that you are very accurate with it because they're going to review it and they're going to either accept the change or they're going to say, no, we don't accept the change. So either two could happen. Now, keep in mind, these are the do's and don'ts. Obviously, they don't want you to mislead people by representing like a person, a business, or organization that doesn't really belong to you. They want to make sure that you do not include any variation of the word Facebook in it. And they also want to make sure that you understand the use terms or phrases that may be abused or violated by someone's right. So just keep that in mind when you are doing the change. All you will need to do is come up here, put in the new name. It's up to 62 characters. Well, it's a little bit more than 62. So you got 75 characters. You cannot have it longer than 75. Once you put your name, all you have to do is press continue and it will take effect of your name. So that's how you change your fan page name. If you found this video helpful or have any questions about it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching.